What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and something major is happening right now. A brand new toll road is being built, one that will connect multiple parishes and completely change how people travel across the island. But here's the part that has everybody talking. I saw a video circulating on social media showing houses being demolished to make a new way for this new highway. Homes, memories, entire communities being cleared out for development.
Alright, chat, see it there, top of the morning, you know. This is where I was lit down yesterday. And all the houses and steel are there, see steel them there. So we have this one left lit down, you know. See it there? So this is the next house to demolish. Yeah, because you know, say, the highway bridge will come right across there, so. That one bridge will come right across there, so. So them house there in the highway, so we have to get rid of them, you know. Yeah, so the bridge will come right across, so. So we have to demolish this. We already demolished that. We are going in that direction.
So we decided to come out here for ourselves, to see it with our own eyes and show the world exactly what's happening here on the ground. Is this progress? Is this sacrifice? Is this the future of Jamaica? Today we're taking you right in the middle of it. Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Noel here again, back on another video. Welcome to the channel. So today I'm in a location where they are destroying houses to build roads. I will get to that soon, but we're in a location, we're in Bogue, St. James, Montego Bay. Hope I say it correct. And they are literally destroying houses just to build a highway. So I saw it on the internet and I decided that I have to come here and see it for myself. And
Great.
Yo.
YowNoel.
Yo, Fabian.
We're up on a journey. Come out of the road, make carry them past.
Yo, Fabian, I've never seen them thing before.
Neither me.
They might destroy houses to build a highway.
Yeah, bro.
We know what's happening, you know.
Godfather.
We know what's happening, you know.
Yeah.
But we just never see it
see it.
before.
I need the road.
Well,
understand?
the road is very important.
Yeah,
you know?
the amount of vehicles are coming to Jamaica, we need the road. So
Yeah.
the people are more easier to relocate, but you have to have designated spot to put the road.
Yeah, we need a good
understand?
bypass. And
Yeah.
right now, me can't wait for when it finish.
So massive. Before we get to the meat of the matter, we're going to give you some tour
Yeah.
to show you a few of the houses that will get demolished already and somewhere about to get demolished.
Right.
Where an excavator go drive through them
And mash them
and
down.
mash them down and get rid of the rubble and everything. So in this video, if you just join, please may I ask you to start like the video. Me I wait. No, well, we are wait.
Yeah, man, like the video. This is what I
Right
like,
now,
you know.
right now, we
right
are
now
wait.
this is history. We are write it down right now on
Trust
the
it.
internet.
Trust and believe.
Yeah, and you know,
So-
so a couple years time when it finish, people wonder where you used to look
like.
and we'll have it.
We are going to have it.
Yes.
You understand? So massive, if you don't know who Noel is YowNoel, YONEOL.
YOW.
I forgot. Yeah,
Yeah.
YOW.
NOEL.
Right. YowNoel. So, look walk through with your Rambo. Then say place is Rambo Mountain.
Rambo. Oh,
You
alright.
understand?
So
Rambo
correct.
Mountain.
So correction.
Bogue Hill.
Bogue Hill, St. James.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's
They say
that's-
Bogue, the other part, the Bogue Mountain, so they run from the other side, but that's a Rambo Mountain.
Okay.
Yeah, Rambo Hill. You
Right.
see me? Bogue. You see it? So, without further ado, like we show you a place where it look like, you know, a normal walk through and people are work and they think, you know, really go and interfere with them at work. I know them way. But we're going to try our best to capture as much as we can. But to think of it,
Yeah.
so my boy have to guess the truck.
Yeah.
Send me up that. Yeah, so this a house right here, so look like this a go get buckled.
That house here, door.
Yeah. This look like say this supposed to get moved.
Yeah, 'cause
See
it-
person,
it-
I go find out from them.
It already too close to the highway already.
Too close to the highway, yeah.
Yeah.
And based on the rubble them we a dash come down from the house, it look like say
It al-
government own this
I
already.
already in them land space already.
Yeah, already the land.
So that house here definitely look like it'll go away.
We're not sure about this one right here, so this one probably B, we don't know, but this one of the mall come down and think we're not sure if them part yeah.
Yeah.
Get by already, you see
But
me?
I'm not like still, you know. If my house is there, somebody I say, yo,
Yeah man, you just give me a, come on.
you can work out a
Yeah,
nice
work
deal
out some-
still and, you know, You get it and put a gas station there. It might not in a way, but you can put a gas station right there. So use my land space.
Yeah, man, use my land space.
Oh, but that nice. So there's a lot of these trucks going back and forth right now.
Stone and debris.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Stone and debris. I realize all of a young new driver too. You them not play with the work.
Yeah. See me can zoom in real quick. Yeah man, them I go through.
Yeah. So, whole heap of work can go on. And things hold on there down. We soon get to the needs of the matter. People just be patient with them.
Yeah, so we'll soon go over the house people. Soon showing them where the house them look like for them destroyed so far. And the other houses them was slated to get removed and things. We'll just go and show you the environment and the surroundings so they can see what it look like and things.
None of them houses now get trouble. What about this?
That one there though.
That one they look like say. The big one they are gonna move though. Georgia no.
Yeah. Yeah.
So while I go jump out that truck, you look like a local youth. You think I want to look at youth and jump, but you tell you can get a big bad still. Sure you can manage it.
So you know Fabian?
Yeah.
Looks to me like they might employ local people.
Yeah, on that project, yeah.
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 So once the construction they yasso, right, employ who they yasso.
That's true, man. It looks so.
And that is a good thing. Yeah.
I love that. We don't see one whole heap of Chinese.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Me just see the Chinese. But the Chinese them there. And the Chinese usually build the road them.
See what boy? So, if I said that one here gonna move, that one look like it paid for already. That I gonna move.
Yeah.
That gonna get licked down.
Yeah, so that definitely I go.
Look up on the hill. If you don't see viral video, we are going to put it somewhere on the screen where you can see excavator drive through that house up on the hill. That was, I think it's from a 3-bedroom to a 5-bedroom house was up there with about 3 bathrooms, veranda, whole heap of other things.
Yeah.
And that get licked down. And the guy did a saying in the video said that one right there so too, I gonna get licked down.
Which one?
The one there, the big one.
The big house there?
Yeah, man. Look
I
at
lie,
that
yeah,
one,
tell.
I want plaza that is going to. Because they say they move down that, so that they're going to move too.
Yeah.
You
But it look like a next house there too, you think? A 2 house there, sir.
And just one big house in there.
No man, a next house there, sir, man. We have to ask
When we
somebody.
say at the wall of the rubble for I hope they come down there, so.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Because based on the video I watch, I want massive house up there now.
Backside.
We're going to see if we can make a walk. And we're going to video that house and see what the house look like before it gone.
Yo.
Believe it if we found one of them
like,
there where
when that
it actually are going.
yeah.
Alright.
Nah, like wish me did there while them destroy one of the hosts them. We have to try to get some clippings like that. We have to find somebody who can video it for it.
Yeah, bro. So, see how some house up over there in the way there, bro.
Oh yeah.
Come here, bro. Come and sit there with me. We'll take a look at time, got you. I don't want anybody.
So more houses are up here where that is slated for this removal. Oh yes. Yeah. Oh, come here, so really quick. Yeah, man, manners. Yeah.
Yo, look how daily I come across.
Yeah.
Yeah, me see one China.
Oh, see China there. With that truck. I go through a whole heap of stone this a move, you know. A whole heap of mall and dirt and stone this, you know. Up. Yo.
William, bro.
Nah, like,
We have to be some skill drivers.
nah, like, we're gonna try to see if we can, I don't know, maybe make it on one of the site them. Maybe.
Maybe, we don't know.
Yeah, but for now,
What you take on? Come on, come on.
hold on. And our trucker coming.
Nice speed.
Yeah. Be a young youth that drive the truck there, you know.
Young youth driver them, man.
Yeah, man, people. So over there is the beautiful Montego Bay City. Right there, sir. Yeah, for real, look like a house used to be right here. And look like a house can start building now, yes. To it, look. So, oh, so you can see the driveway. Okay. So, me just like if I see the scale of the house I used to do right there, so. It's big, but baby, actually, somebody over the house, so what if we can talk to him?
Oh, like, oh, so I'm brother there. Alright, when we're done from my house, we can reach it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So, we're gonna try.
Hey, I want bush tiger shoes, me walk with you.
I look up, I have the water boot and I put it on. We're gonna try see if we can talk to one of the residents. We'll live in one of the houses now that's slated for removal or destroyal. Yeah.
Massive, I way up on one mountain today, and as you can see, all of my beard. Yeah, big up to all my beard, massive. Big up on yourself with a way up on the mountain.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So, I realize that all the trucks them coming from up there have a full load coming back down. Yeah. And all the trucks them are the same color and them numbered. I wonder which company own. People in the comment section, if you have an idea which company that owns these trucks in Jamaica, let me know in the comment section. Because I'm sure say I don't import them.
I feel like them also I go get knocked. I hear we are come across, so.
Me I wonder.
They probably cut down them place, I don't
And at the end of the day, them need a proper road for exit back there.
Yeah. And they take down that one, yeah. That means all of them one probably has to go.
See some houses up here, and we are wondering now if them houses are going to get destroyed as well. But I forgot to ask.
Yeah.
So yes, if you are watching this video and this is your property, we are trespassing, but we're not.
Hold on. I heard that based on some of my comments that I read, there are some persons that say people that wonder like why them destroy the house there, because the people that say we call it the agency where we deal with construction house, them say house not make properly, so they end up having to demolish it and people lose more money, but then people comment and say no, it's a highway. Why the house them have to get demolished, because if the highway pass through, those persons are well compensated for down to the fruit trees.
Then,
so down to the fruit trees that is on the property were paid for and being compensated for. So there's no loss. So you can get a real look, and you're like here say based on the comment section say at least 3 times the price.
Wow.
So that you can actually feel good.
If you own a land. If you own a land.
If you own a land.
If you don't own a land, you have to just go.
You hear that?
Or maybe you get a lower bargain.
Probably.
Yeah.
So, based on some other comment, is look like a credible source. But massive, this is the property right here. So, see that Jen come on here?
Yeah.
Come through, Papa.
Oh yeah, do I show go through the rubber? Ain't afraid of drop.
Yeah, go up on the farm, you see the machine. Yeah.
Manners.
Why are them?
Okay.
Let me ask you a question. The house, how much bedroom house in there right here, sir? 5.
5,
Whoa. It's a massive house, man.
Okay.
So if you have 5 bedroom on a house, I probably like about 5 bathroom or 4 bathroom. Plus veranda, kitchen, bedroom, living, and all of that. You know anybody who did live there? You?
I lie, I tell. Backside.
You don't feel some form of broken heart if you see your hard work still go, even though you probably get compensated, but
you compensated back.
What you tell me say?
You compensated what then again you can buy back 1 3-bedroom. 18 million for 1 room down above village.
No man, stop telling me lie. I would just attack good as
I say based on the comment section, people say a person who only get compensated down to the fruit trees.
Then tell you that, then write up that, and all know nobody no come tell you. All of them come, you see a man come Sunday gone and tell you say, he come for it down the house. All of them do is give you money to go rent house.
Oh, but you don't get your proper payment. I got what you said.
And that suppose when we come first,
Right.
make you go look piece of land and start.
Because the land and house is a process, that is going to take a while.
Yeah.
What
See,
you answer to me?
Then you see everybody, they put on house stuff. Where do we get house right now?
Mm.
Yeah, that I next thing too. Jesus Christ. But question me ask you, oh my word, I don't even know how to word it.
Yeah.
Is that inherit land or are you?
The man who own the land dead, named Tarp.
Yeah.
And he really talk to his two sons.
Okay.
And me if he call him wife. Auntie.
Auntie. Okay, I get what you are saying.
Okay.
Ah,
But
boy.
we still know all what go on.
Yeah. So them
Right.
they are Jamaica now?
Who?
The person
son
we
them.
own it, them they are Jamaican them?
The son them.
One of the son, him get money so he go rent one house and throw it.
And go and
you
stay.
Yeah, because you have to live. Everybody have to live. But what about this? This is just one of the houses that will get destroyed. Which other houses or property are going to get
Right,
destroyed? One did right down there, so.
But tell you Fabian,
So
sir.
one did right down there, so.
Yeah.
No, one of you talk down there.
No man, remember what they right this a while ago. I
Oh
say,
yeah, me I say one.
I say
one
come
did
like a
there, so.
house get destroyed. I say yeah man, definitely your house get destroyed.
So one to them, one they up there, so.
You don't go Sunday and tell them say them to move.
Oh, here's them on there?
When you don't go move.
Oh, Sunday gone, them tell himself to move?
Yeah, say them to move.
Oh, so them one they gonna get licked down?
Yes, man.
Okay.
And 2 round more.
Round the other side.
I'm not give a
And
shit.
all of them there.
I get
all
this.
of them they'll cross this out too?
Yeah.
Okay, so even over there, so I'll get destroyed. What the I
I know
name?
you're a free shot.
Yeah, man, you know good. So
I know hurricane blew up my shit.
I tried to take you out of the house so you know look it up.
Oh, what do my name?
My name Charles, man.
Charles.
Okay.
Big up her. Me a Jamaica walk by and you have YowNoel.
Yeah.
You understand? But we are going to go up on the property here, so I want to look on the rubble.
Yeah, man.
So what about the house across there, so with the side eye?
We like next.
I eat next.
At the me there.
Oh, I went them all lick it down.
It can be anytime, you know.
Or they don't show up anytime and just start move. So
But
so
the guy got it, him liar have it, so then can
Touch it here.
yeah.
okay, for them need to know what they might get first before them start make them move.
But you now get the nothing worthwhile. And it don't make sense to go one liar. Because
Liar want the money too.
And indeed until he come back and tell us say they now both from where they say.
Yeah, no.
Because I know a man down a Quick Street, right at Quick Street,
Same thing.
same thing. And then come 3 times on him. And he say he don't want that the money. And the 4th time then come and say see bank book at the money there.
A bang.
Yeah.
So
So then
you have to lift up.
Yes, yeah, man.
Okay.
Was an interesting
Yeah, no.
story.
So you have no video and a picture where it used to look like before?
Yeah, they went come here one time and put up them drone and take a picture. But you know,
Oh, you not have it?
You never video nothing like when them a tear it down either?
Yeah, me niece when they are and me daughter when they turn up down the road. A whole heap of people when they are.
I got on
see
and ask it.
Try to get a
I
video.
want to show them it used to look
How
like.
it look like. Alright, make a walk over there. You collect some wire, alright. When you pass back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Watch your step in a Fabian car. And nothing normal up here so right now.
Walk anybody here wants to do that. So as you can see, from sink to furniture, woodwork, here are people that come in and no steal in the house. A whole heap of steel.
I hope I steel, man. See the steel I push out right now. I'm showing the steel. Steel right there. Steel over here. Steel everywhere.
So all you can say when you know well, this was a rock stone view on the hillside, you know.
Yeah, look at this. Hold on. Look at this.
Jesus.
Wow.
A rock stone view, you know. Man.
Wow. Yo, them forget the most money cause
Oh my word,
them just take them off a gem.
Yeah.
Them take them off a bedrock.
One
Them
gem.
oh gosh.
Look on this.
So-
it was a massive
So
house
people,
right there, so.
all along we thought that these people were being compensated till them happy. And say, yeah man, God they take the money and go somewhere else. But turns out say, them are-
Not so yet.
the government are bargaining with them heavily. I
But
think
you know why we need my dwell pan it? You see, it's a touchy topic. I know a lot of persons watching right now and you
Yeah.
might not understand, but
yeah.
is anything to deal with government and them type of thing that's touchy for me, so me always try to run far from them.
Okay,
You
I
understand? So even though you're going to hear people say, no, it's not so, and this is so, and this is so, and you're not going to know who is right or who is wrong, and
Yeah.
it just continue on and on and on. Me can't bother with that. So that's why I take time and move through when it comes on to touchy topic. Because it a go pain my heart, you know, so such a structure like this.
Yeah.
And my house get licked down before the money run. So, and then you can't know if you actually run and I just who don't know how the money run. You understand?
Yeah,
so,
for real.
we don't really want to get in it because the
yeah,
room
right.
wrong way. And
Cause we don't know when the argument are going, we never did it.
Cause probably all the man we get 15 and say 20, me get you know. Yeah, you might never know.
I mean, you get 20 and say 10, me get.
Yeah, and then you shoot out. We're not saying it is so, we're saying about it.
So assume.
We just assume
Cause
things
things
can
like
go so too, where man deliberately don't want to tell everybody your full on details, anything. So that's why me just left the party alone. But we here so then get compensated, the house tear down, the lick down.
Yeah.
So we don't know.
Right.
Before it tear down.
Where's that?
This house have got lick down, dog.
It has to go.
I feel like we are go. Listen to me, to the owners who own the house, please. Trespass. Just inform me.
All this have to go away right now.
Link in on the inbox.
Look at that.
This is a massive structure.
All this have to go away. People. Right now, this video is history. We are right down right now. We're going to show the before and after for this house. We are going to show that. So stay tuned for that, people. I will come back and show that. I'm going to show the final product when the highway finish. So make sure you're there for the journey.
Let me tell you something, we're on a height, you know, brother.
Whoa.
Father God. Come on. Yo, wake up in a place and you say, "Well, a Montego Bay for me."
Oh gosh, man. We just come sit down on a chair, so.
For me.
Just come sit down on a chair, so. And just look for the city.
How much them could have paid me and all for this place have to go wicked down? Because once you see that the highway run straight across them place and I bridge at them and make them say they have to go cross you know well.
Oh,
so
wait.
You say whole across and come cross you know.
Yeah.
I bridge at you know.
Okay, because I wonder what they want make you know.
So whole across this side I go so you know.
Yeah.
See that? See that the road that come through up so. Once you see that? So through this road that fall through come straight across all of them places you know.
Oh, so this is why it's
gone.
important for the host them get removed because they can't have people try cross. They can't have.
No, I didn't even say cry cross. The house, the road have run through the house.
Yeah, it needs to be wide enough.
Yeah. Alright. The bridge I come straight across that's all. So all of yes are gonna be road.
Oh,
That's what
just
I'm
as
saying,
you want to
you know.
go, yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's the bridge, which are the excavator, then they are the road that come across the bridge.
Yeah.
Because straight across that side there.
Yeah.
So them outside of the way. Oh my word, massive. So maybe them also up there so stand a chance. We're not sure. But them on the right or so, they're not gone enough.
Yeah. Oh wait, what we can count right now? We have to go count right now. So 1, 2, and then 3,
Somebody look like around 8 bedroom.
4, and then the 2. Yeah man, up there so 2 man. Count them in.
Which are the car there and all them places.
5, 6,
Yeah.
7, 8, 9 house. So
Because even if the road still did it, the bridge come across, so then people they have to go drive underneath the bridge.
Yeah.
To go. So you know the road now go come this side again, you know, the road have to go cut underneath the bridge, go so and go through, round this, have to go back down this.
Okay. So imagine
Because all of us are going to be road.
9 more houses I forget destroyed. Just for this couple, just for this section alone.
We just estimate at 9 or probably more.
Oh yes.
Because we're not sure if they say all of the side they will up this up. Look, who then say all of the side they will up this up, go
Yeah.
come straight across or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's crazy. What's you want to say? Talk to me now.
Boy, people, alright, if you have made it this far into the video,
Go so far yet, before you go. Now also when we are 8 car about, you know, look safe, you know.
what you say?
The big one there right now, that's a man. See the center camera? The big
Oh,
one there. Yeah,
yes.
It look like say it have to go move, you know.
Yes. That house that look like it have to go come down as well.
And so we know what I talk about with the truck them there forward down full.
Yeah man people, so if you have made it this far into the video and you find this video eye-opening, you know, drop a like on the video people. Drop a like, you know, I give you 2 seconds for drop a like. 1, 2. Alright, thank you. Bless up yourself. Don't stress up yourself. Thanks for liking the video. Also, if you're interested in more content like this, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, because this is what I am all about, showcasing Jamaica, what's happening, the history, you know, all them good things there, you know. So subscribe for more and keep tuned as well. So back to the video my people, you know. A Fabian there, yeah, go downstairs now. Alright, so I go downstairs now and show you a little more of what is going to get destroyed. I wonder if alright, so if you're watching the video and you used to live here, then let me know in the comment section. Let me know. And if you can give
Then rubble them from the house over top then come from.
Okay.
The tractor shoot them down.
So the way it look like something you said there, but I guess you're right. All this is coming from up there.
But I realize most of the debris now up there.
Yeah.
What if I thought going to that house and you see water catcher, water can curve, come down, go around and can utilize.
It's a big, massive house, you know? What is 3-story or 2-story? 2-story house. And I'll show you how I go on. See it there? I need to get destroyed by next week.
This probably has about
yeah, probably 4 bedrooms on each. No, at least 1 or 2 down here, sir. And then 4, 8, 9 bedroom.
9 bedroom.
Yeah.
And there's a shopper.
Oh, and the car park, garage. Yeah. And then over there, so next door, I'm gonna take a peek. Hold on there. I can't see next door. So I've got to show that from the road view. Oh. We get deep on the Jones shot still there.
Oh.
But next door. So these people don't have much time to move out. So and the
negotiations are going fast.
Yeah, and the fact say them only give you the fact say they don't provide you with money for rent somewhere to live. That means they want you out ASAP. You know, ASAP. So you don't have time to say, I'm going to find land, I'm going to find somewhere. You have to do that while you're living on a rental property. Yeah.
What we can do, I want to see what going to buy up. We want to go back through this and go through that side then. And then we take a look on our way back on that house where I'm going to get destroyed too.
Okay.
Alright, Massive, come along, let's do this.
Alright, so.
We're up on the journey. Yeah. We can come and see what go on.
What the name?
Bulby.
Alright, mad, Bulby. Yeah. And you say you live up here, sir?
No, we live
further up.
Yeah, but they're not trouble from my side. Yeah,
so, but hold on, so after the road make, you go drive in and out of your place now?
Well, I say them build one community road. Some have run on the hillside that comes straight across. Oh. So you know, so they say you have to drive in and drive out.
Say you're not afraid?
Fred Power.
Without worry there, because I say, what if them leave me just stranded, so I know it's harder for me to access my property.
A part of the agreement, man, you have to deal with it.
Oh, okay.
You sit with the on paper, you know.
Yeah.
It's a man that will sue them. It's a man
you don't play people, you don't play them with it.
Yeah, foreigner them, you know. No, my boy.
Alright, so, you know, even though people are going to lose them home, the road have to build because it's a struggle to get to Montego Bay and a struggle for just pass through the town. So we know when the road built, it's going to be a big improvement and a big major thing for Jamaica. So we look forward to the road. But at the same time, we just stay here show what go on before it happens. And things. So a couple of years past, we can look back and say, oh, this is how this is how it used to look.
To me, it's the first we are coming inside and we don't know where we are.
Yeah, first. But look at our pandemic, it's coming like a riverbed.
Yeah, right, as the road done. Most of them people actually have a different access on the other side.
Okay.
And just build up them structures. So you can see it's not really this part them actually access the place.
Not even know so much house over there. Yeah. I swear, if you don't walk up here, you wouldn't know the houses are around here. So.
But teacher, nobody live here, sir, you know? Nobody live here, sir?
So this house, them say this house I'll get.
But Miss Minute house I'll get damaged by hurricane, man.
Them say that house I'll go away soon. Some of them. Yeah.
I wonder what view stay like from myself. Miss Vin.
Nah, like if me live around here, so I'm most healthy and fit because
you need them to work.
Your knee and your muscle them and your calf.
Miss Vinny!
Have to work. Baby, I didn't even check if the dog there.
That's a whole dog, man, whole dog. No. We get it up.
Oh, wait.
Oh, Miss Vinette look like she getting hit by the hurricane, man.
Yeah, Miss Vinette house. Look all over here, so Fabian.
Rockstone, so house, one teacher here. From the side.
Oh.
Big up my teacher, Jamaica walk by. You don't want to catch you though.
Yeah.
We just capture the whole thing we are going with the horse, the man thing. Want to see the safe here, sir? Yo, you know, look like we're not so safe, you know, look like we're never going to live up in a car. Two, we are realized though. You see
yeah.
The bridge out there, on the bridge.
And the road they down here, so they might need to take off all
right,
of this.
Two, you say it come.
Yeah.
Hold on, they know I'm catch you.
I can see the tractor them up there, so work.
Alright, you see right there, so the whole right as a road that comes straight through, go cross, so. So this is not going there, so. No.
Yeah, man. So when them's ready for you, so we have something for go? We have to go and think from now because to all the move, look at them, you just show up any day and just start level out the place. Yeah, them should have come in from a long time.
Yeah, man, all of them they down there, so I go move.
Oh wait, I just see them also too, you know. Wait, we did see them also, Fabian, where them also come from?
No man, they did them, but then through them they behind the high part there where them are below.
Oh, I saw I up there?
Yeah. So you see that? The road that go straight across the bro G. Whole of Yasso. Remember 2 lane traffic, you know?
Yeah.
Two side of road on one side and
yeah.
2 on the other side. So whole of Yasso you need to be broad enough.
For real. And plus you have to have someone for pull over.
Pull over, you're gonna need soft shoulder space.
Yeah.
Plus you're gonna need the property. You're gonna need the property. Miss Vinette, are you that? Big up and respect. Plus you're gonna need the property where you're gonna shield off with space in case vehicle run off a road and go crash.
Wow.
What a view, man. Imagine if you wake up to this every morning, man. Jeez and peace, man. Look good, man.
Yeah, man, the view nice, man. Every mate me look on it.
No,
I can't imagine the sun now shine out.
I love. I'm not put the camera up here. Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by. So,
yeah,
and YowNoel.
And YowNoel.
We don't know what name, so.
Our YouTube channel.
And stuff. So,
yeah.
we showcase everything we're going in Jamaica and all of that. So, based on what is happening here, it sparked the attention of the public. Public asks if we come and see what we're going and, you know, like just walk through and show exactly what we're going on. I love. Yeah, man. See you later. This is a hurricane that rock up on the hill, G's and peace. Me down up on the flat in a turn and I'm still living. Until me go St. Elizabeth, go see how St. Elizabeth look.
You talk God.
Yeah, me say Father God, thank you, Jesus.
Yes.
Be a water coming through me window them and everywhere flood out. And we just go and wipe through the night. But you say me go St. Elizabeth.
I see them on the ground.
Me say Father God, thank you, because not even a window in my yard now, bro. And look over there, sir.
Yeah.
I see me. You will have me garden now. And bitch up over.
I realize.
Bitch up over.
Okay.
You know, we can only hope now. Say, you know, blessings come in a whole heap of different ways, you know. So, we can only pray if Mr. Highwayman want to walk through your land, come
You
across
know,
or
we
something.
have right now. We tell me we have to move, but you know, you will not time it. You need to take the whole of Douglas.
Me just
Yeah,
hope
we are
God
seeing.
say then compensate on the field. That's all
Yeah.
I can
That's
say.
why I said me think about who no belongs to one of
To
them.
one of them.
Find one little place.
No, I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, because me would not take so long. Would not take so long.
You think I come to find one little place to give me? Come in no way.
We don't know them are going to work out this year.
No way.
If I go a good deal, man.
I can find a deal and then can't say if you go rent so while the house get licked down, then what?
Then they'll tell you.
Yeah.
I rent. Them are saying upon your right.
Nice structure, see a nice structure here for
Hey,
your
you see
inside.
right over there, so my boy. You see what I said? You never passed that before.
No, we see it on a video.
With the big pretty house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much floor?
Yeah, man drive an excavator through it. And shoot off the rest right down on the hill front.
Yeah.
And the other one side there, there's a feet time next.
Yeah, a tree they on the stretch up on the road. On the stretch. 3 more.
Oh, man, what it more for do then?
So look at the right, based on the one beside it,
Yeah.
the one there beside it, and the other 2.
Mm-hmm.
Jaja God. What's still? Oh man, oh you're on the cold front, I see you in the jacket.
Cool, man, me cool by the water made me cool.
It's cold for real.
I hope they say one is going to go with Massa. So
Up on the hill here?
Yeah, right there. So.
Yeah, so when I drive up there now.
Behind the house there. Go so. And I know what they're going to do, but that's a beer see a road. They go.
Road them a go put.
Okay.
What? Noel,
Alright.
last night when I did. Jesus Christ. Me know today you have to water, I'm not busy when nobody wants.
Water.
Yeah, I miss Vinette.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
So how who tell you say so big? Who tell you big?
Listen man, a Jamaica walk by my name man, from me down here me start out. Yeah, and then soft and nice man, good God.
Cool.
And cool, and then cool. Yeah man, but I miss Vinette anyway man. From past you, me talk to one gen come on down there and say Miss Vinette come with a shout first. But
Yeah.
are your grandson or your son?
I'm my son.
Are your son?
You can't look, she copy and paste.
But that me say could I be a grandson, you probably a daughter or a son pitney, you know, say that come
Okay.
take money, yeah?
I'm my son, man.
Now wait there so can walk go down there, sir?
One long time, but you have to go back so because them pop down, them brought down everywhere.
Oh, the whole of the part them.
You'd have to go tell up and jump down. Can be that tell up and jump.
Okay.
I know how you ever do yourself still in the house, you have to pull up like
Yeah.
that. Instead of down from them flat.
Alright people, so we want to go, we are trying to go more and more into the sites before they tell us so we can't go no further. And if possible, we get to go in and one of the truck them and see if we can go on the site. I will just stay in that truck and record, you know? Yeah.
I know when I see what going on, one way, you know.
A one way for now.
Him see truck and forward, him have to reverse, a one way go up there.
Okay,
My G.
one way.
My G have to, you know, reverse.
So all them house over there, sir, has to go.
I make a go across the border, truck and forward.
Why not?
Oh, teacher!
Yeah, so look how this level are nice, Fabian. This is probably one of the structure, that'll be one of the pillar them for the bridge, you know.
The bridge.
Yeah.
So they have to do them that they can set.
Yeah.
They have to do them that they can set. You
Right.
know, now move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what we wanted to show you guys. Wait, but people over there see me, man, Fabian.
Yeah, they're not moving.
Me could have swear things say nobody at all over here, sir. But people over here same way.
Yeah, bro, G.
Alright.
So people,
That's the move too.
the people, it look like say from the house and get destroyed yet, the people them still there live. Well, except the big one over there, so. Nobody at all in this live, except the old man. It's a catch there for now until they're ready to destroy. But every other house, the people them still living in them house.
I didn't realize this structure was so big until we come right and say Noel.
Yeah.
Jaja Noah.
So all of this has to go. Everything come right round. See the Fabian? Come right round.
Yeah.
everything I gonna get destroyed and that's right.
Oh my word, see the road, G. And you
Everything.
can see that also look like it was destroyed by the hurricane, like the whole roof of it.
Yeah.
Fly off
Yeah, man.
by the hurricane. So now that the highway don't make sense, then do one to do that. Just get compensated and lift up.
Yeah. People, see in the comment section, go on to the reason with me. If one of these houses was your house, how would you go about the reasoning or the negotiation for money to get compensated for your house? How much money you'd have sell your house for? For example, say this one was your house. How much money you would have lego that for? Let me know in the comment section.
No way.
Yeah.
Why we don't know how we feel?
You feel me, man?
We don't know how we feel. Yeah. Don't know how we feel, yo.
Okay, we'll come from up there, you know. We'll come up there, sir. All them house, no, I see clearly now with Fabian. Look now, them have to go. Them have to move for real. I see it clearly now. Now that I stand from this view. Why?
Yeah, I have to go.
The toll is the next thing, you know. We even touch my net yet till the time reach.
You can see.
But toll will be the next
See what
thing.
miss? What's your name again?
But,
I don't remember her name.
yeah, Miss Cool, I call her Coolie.
Yeah,
Indian, yeah. Up there so she did there. Just up there so we did it just now with her. Oh, I see him bridging that. Okay, so not far out then, man. Baby, I forgot that we are. Man, not even I do that. If I see I do that, me now, but I try this one. Alright, so make we go up look further and show we're going manners. Yeah. Alright, that me want here. You see up there pretty Fabian.
Yeah, that much I want to see, man. You didn't see it in the video to the drone.
Yeah.
And you see how the excavator them up there too.
Yeah. How we truck this
Yo,
now?
one truck come.
I have to run it. Run. That come for real?
Yeah?
Yeah, I did.
I want them. See them also have to move, bro. See them also literally there, so.
Yeah, they also have to move. Me, I want to have people in the money now.
Eh?
Me, I want to have people in the money now.
Well, by looks of things.
Alright, so I try to go up and look at it. See if we can make it. See that here now? It's firm, man. Alright.
Man say what an adventure. Why oi? So then chuck at the trunk.
Yeah.
Because this is steep. No, well, I reckon pin on my knee and walk.
Well,
It's going like a blue moon.
we have to go take it on you now.
You better walk on the stones. Can't take no sliding.
People, look at me for start exercise. Because anytime me and Fabian touch road, we ever do some things like this.
But we never yet bargain for.
Yeah.
Over here, so better for walk.
Over there, so better?
Yeah, 3 solid.
Alright, hold on.
I too sliding. And you will always have water boat.
I'm going to bring it and still left it. Yeah, man, you're so solid.
Look like a right, so they walk to you.
Yeah.
See shoes, man.
Look like a bit of water went through this one.
Oh no.
No, sir.
Tired dog.
No, sir.
Oh,
It's rough. It's rough, people. Oi. Why you jumping on? Hey.
Crying, I'm good, sir. Oh, I see the
Oh, made him know when to.
linesman, the director.
Okay.
Should I ride on the peak?
Yeah.
So we're out of arm's way. We're not in a no part of danger. In here, car.
Oh. Why you rough? Me not know she each other, so. You rough. Okay.
Oh, you get the highest cheer. On the jump. Oh.
So this is where they load up the trucks with dirt or mall and offload it down that side.
I want to check. Oh, you have a stick? Yes. I can't try to check.
Hold on there. You walk home by yourself? Push by, don't you, sir?
No. Only next time, but it's said ways.
No, man. Oi. I'm slow down. I make my heartbeat slow down there.
So, you have the green and the red. Green we go, red we stop. So she go with the truck and we are on the process. Forward
Yeah.
and stop.
With them car, you're a role now. With them car, like.
My role
Yeah.
is
Flags, man. Alright, sorry. So she's a flag lady, and her role is very important.
Very important.
Oh yeah, Black Arabian.
Very important. Because she had direct them big truck there.
She had direct the trucks then. And them truck over this as well.
So, Noel,
Eh?
you know where the people them were working at the airport tower?
Oh, I know you're talking, them said so. With the light.
No, neither that. The one them in the tower.
Oh, the tower.
You have to descend to this altitude because this plane that go pass. But the people in here get my
You
working
know,
at the tower, man.
I'm not sure.
Air control.
Air control.
She's like a air control right now.
Yeah.
Very important.
Very
Because the air
important.
control have to give you signal for when them to go up on the runway.
Yeah.
Who can take off, who can take off. And that's she had the right.
Yeah, man, so big up to her. What your name? Big up to Marvia. Martin said that in the comment section. So there, thank God the sun not out. Can you imagine your son and the sun?
Must be as you have one. Because New York, we're there right now, you know.
New York, which spot? No.
You know, so we're there right now. Must be as you have
Canada,
one.
we're there. I'm in New York.
We're in Canada right now.
I'm in Canada right now.
Holy! Place is cold.
This is cold, man. What layer you want? You have brassiere, marina. You probably have one t-shirt that you set on and
Yeah.
t-shirt. Some piece.
Tired.
Cover your ears. I sit down right after we direct to kind of freezing altitude. You sit down.
Yeah. Alright, see there now. So now she hold up the flag as a green sign so yeah, you can come up. And then when you can't come, she show a red sign. Oi! Oi! Now I saw the foot. The knee and the foot.
So when I distract her, she's very focused. She truck there forward and they say, yo, the truck can forward.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna zoom in on the truck real quick.
Yeah. So she have a hold up.
Time to go, man. So them slow, alright. When they do overtime, you know, get to do overtime.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Marva.
Marva, big
Marva,
up
right? Yeah. Marvia. So people, we have made it high up on the site, and this is what it looks like. No joke, the view is spectacular. and I feel amazing to be here. As you may know, these are the things that I enjoy doing, you know. So yeah. Yeah, I always want to experience them things, you know. I never get to see them things here in action before. Yeah, we're there at the edge. Yeah man, people, like, oh Fabian, I say we need to go down further now, because we're already up your side.
Cold! With your Sienna Sienna.
Yeah man, the place cold people.
Or Pili Pimpili. Pili Pimpili.
A good thing we wear a sweater and thing.
I open and enjoy the video. It's a great vibe, great energy.
Yeah.
As you just go through.
People, if you enjoy the video, drop a like. For real, for real. And let me know in the comment section. Because nobody won't get to see this anywhere else. You can't go on YouTube to go watch this unless you watch my our channel. Because nobody not come out a video this right now. Wow, there's more to it.
Up on the building there.
Should I walk with the drone and Fabian? Yeah, but me never come down closer.
Beautiful.
Alright people, so we're not going to go no further. We're going no further, Fabian?
No.
What Fabian? Is an island over there, sir?
Yeah, pretty much an island to look like.
How many know about that?
Let me see if we can clear the... Let me see if we can clear the...
People, we never know what island. There's an island in Montego Bay town.
Yeah.
I'm going to zoom in and show you right now.
Yeah.
Just I notice
one of them,
it.
too.
And I'm more than...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them.
Huh? Well, I go further up, man. Oh, Fabian, we have to go up there, sir. Up there, sir. Up there, sir. Yeah. People, real quick. Look at this. I didn't know there was island here in Montego Bay town. Nah, lie. I wonder what them plans for the island there. Because them can use it and do something very creative. You know? Drop some suggestion in the comment section of what you would do with that island. If you have the money. Would you build a hotel resort over there? What would you do with it? Drop some ideas in the comment section.
Oh, them never sell it.
Maybe the person that own it is looking.
Look at that.
Well, I never know Moby have them thing here.
Look at that. There. Somebody check them sit and go further. Watch it. Look at moms, look at moms that go down.
As I can see, somebody truck them still go all the way around. So it's not just right here.
Be careful.
It goes all the way around. Oh, Marvia. Marvia, take your time, Marvia. We are recording here, so do not fall.
Take our time, though.
Do not fall. Take your time. Yeah. Alright, Marvia, big up Marvia one more time.
Big up to all the youth them who work on the project at the
Yeah, and yeah, for real.
Respect the whole of
Big up to all of the youth them, the elders them and the youth them. I drive the truck back and forth all day long.
True.
Thank God there's a cold front now, so they can get one entire week of no sunlight.
No sun. Can you imagine how so when the sun a beat up so with the light from the mall, bro?
Yeah, but nah, lie enough here, man. Nah, lie, but I sit down here, so.
And just get a bed.
If me live near here, so, I mean, have no idea. I come sit down here, so come watch him every day. Yeah. So people, we're not gonna go up there, so. Fabian, in Kian Bazaar.
Wow, so easy for walking at this.
Yeah, big up. So I head back down now. and see what else is there to show. So the video is not finished as yet, people, so stay tuned. I'll go back down now. Stay tuned. Yeah. And people, if you have never got the chance to see something like this before, I think the video deserves a like. You know, I know I never yet see before, and I have always wanted to see these trucks in action. So I am super amazed. And no joke, I would definitely sit here and watch them, but we got other things to do and other things to show you guys. So we can't do that. Also, if you have an idea of what this highway will be named, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you know where this highway will take you to, let me know in the comment section, because I don't know. I have no idea. You know, just know, so I'm in Montego Bay right now. Bogs, Rambo Hill, something like that. So yeah, let me know where the highway. Give me some suggestion of the highway, like where it will start and where it will finish, and where it will connect us to. We already know say that it will connect us to Montego Bay. But we don't think it will finish here in Montego Bay. So let me know. People, I don't think you guys have an understanding of how steep this is right now. It's very steep. The camera now do it no justice right now. I feel lean back. Yeah. Yo, you're massive. You can't just walk down yourself. Oh, wait. It stopped. It stopped.
Yeah. Too big, we not trust it.
Alright, ready? I'll be a dust.
Anything you have to dig?
Marvin, you just Marvin for this shirt and God.
Yeah, I mean, Marvin say, I won't my time see that pan.
Marvin, I say, my time up here now, you know. So look like I eat that clear day now. Because if she not up there, so
Yeah, they can't work.
can't operate.
No, can't cause no trouble. If you hear man, the man direct the traffic. All the work I go and play, they can't fly. It's the same thing with her.
So we have to wait for the truck, we can't walk any faster. As I know, the road is the same width of the tractor. Look. Wait, this is a tractor or excavator? Excavator. Okay.
This don't go anywhere, any hill.
Ah!
See, I turn one wheel of it stop and one forward.
And this time is on demolish the house.
Yeah. At least same one. Probably the same one Demolishing. So we might come back, people.
Yo, a beer just a coming on my eye. But, yeah, man. Alright, you know, the next thing we want to tell me in the comment section, should we come back? If yes, how soon? Because I definitely want to here to show you guys when I destroy one of the houses there from start to finish. I would love to be there to show that. So, yeah. Alright people, so that's a wrap for today's video. You know, today's video was a very eye-opener, a very different one, you know, and I think I have captured history right here, you know. So let me know where you're watching from. If you're watching from America, we're in America. If you're watching from Jamaica, we're in Jamaica, you watch from. If you're watching from Canada, we're in Canada. I don't know the thing there and things. So, and then next thing, let me know once more. If you want to see this house getting destroyed, let me know in the comment section. You know, let me know in the comment section. I will see if we can put out the effort for come back and show it from start to finish. And yo, Fabian, what you say?
Good day, boom, 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 boom. Yo, Jamaica, where the content keep growing, somewhere where the content keep happening. Yo, please subscribe to Jamaica Walk By if you just watch what I go on. And please don't watch the channel if you don't subscribe. So look below the video. Look if you see it white. If it's white, that means you're not subscribe. Click the button. Click the arrow right beside the subscribe button too. And so that's every time YowNoel posts, you'll be notified. Just put it on all. If you post that much, your phone or your tablet, your TV won't get annoyed by him posting and bunch of something. Just for you if you know when time he might drop a big video. Heart of love. If you don't know Jamaica Walk By, see me here. That is it. YowNoel, great content today though.
Right. Alright people, so that's a wrap. I'm out.